So for this recipe, we're going to start off by making the marinade. You want to take some chipotle peppers, a few chipotle peppers, and you're going to add them to a blender with some vinegar, minced garlic, honey, and I'm using this. You can add your own spices, but this seemed to have everything in it that I saw in the video. So I'm adding that, and I'm also going to add in some cayenne pepper and salt and pepper. And then I'm going to cut it on, and I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Now here's my salmon. I went ahead and cut it up into about 1-inch cubes, like inch-sized pieces. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in that marinade. And then we're going to mix it well. And we're going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Stick it back in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now to make the mango salsa, I took some mango, red onion. I'm going to add in some jalapeno and some cilantro. And then some salt and pepper. And I'm going to squeeze in some fresh lime juice. And there's the mango salsa. Now I'm going to take my baking sheet and I'm going to go ahead and spray it with a little bit of nonstick cooking spray. And then I'm going to add my salmon pieces to it. And I'm going to pop it in the oven. And once it's done, look at these little salmon nuggets. The marinade for the salmon was so good, you guys. You have to try it. Now to make my tacos, I just took some homemade guacamole. And I'm going to go ahead and add my salmon pieces to it. I'm using the street taco size of corn tortilla, so that's why they're so small. And I'm going to add that mango salsa on top. And there you have it, some Chipotle salmon tacos with mango salsa. Yum.